So if we want to run this, we'll get an error. Why? Okay, that's because I didn't in this. Oh, sorry. So let's run it again. So, okay, fine. You can vote because your age is not less than 18. It's greater than 18 years. Of course, you can vote. Yeah. But okay, if your age is now less than 18, maybe you are 12 years. What are we going to have? If you have 12 years, it's gonna come here and please, no, you are too small to vote. Yeah, I think that's bravo. Yes, he said, no, you are too small to vote. That means a 12 years old in Nigeria cannot vote. Okay, now I made mention of comparison operators the other time, but I didn't show you what comparison operator is. Comparison operator are used to compare two things together, and they are or, and, but, and I think more. But in C++ and C programming language, this is the sign you use for and, double, to, and I don't know the name of that thing. I just know it's on my 7, shift and 7, yeah. And for your or, I use pipe. I call this line pipe. Oh, so I'm gonna explain to you. Okay, we don't want to test that. Okay, if the age of the user is equals to 12, okay, fine, and is a Nigerian. If it's greater than 18, okay, it's 19, okay, and it's Nigerian, okay, we want him to vote. But if it's not, if none of them is wrong, if all of them votes are not true, okay, it's not right to vote. So that's why we'll be using AND operator. The use of AND operator is that, okay, let's see if national if this is greater than is national is equals to, you see I'm using double, that's comparison, that's why I'm talking about using it to compare it, is equals to, like I told you, less than, equals to, not equals to, is equals to, okay, oh yeah, okay, now you can now say, okay, you can vote, but if so, it's gonna come here and check, okay, is this person greater than, is his age greater than 18? Yes, of course. Okay, fine. Is he in Nigeria? Yes, it's in Nigeria. Okay, I'm gonna print this. But for instance, the person is 12 years, but is in Nigeria. You're gonna come, the age is greater than, you're not even up to 18 years. No, I'm not going to do anything. Bullshit. You cannot vote. It throw you out. Say, come on, came down here. Say you cannot vote. Okay. Okay. Now let's have, we have 19 here, but we are having Cameroon here. So you're gonna come in. Okay, is your age greater than 18? Yes, it's greater than 18. But and even, are you a Nigerian citizen? No, I'm from Cameroon. No. You're not going to vote. So that's the uses of AND operator. All the check. It's gonna check. All the check must be true before it can do anything. If one of them is false, maybe having thousands, can have thousands, can add more. Maybe, I don't know. Can add more as much as possible. As more comparison, more check. It will check everything. If one is missing, it's not true, then it's not going to work. So that's the work of AND operator. So let's check it. Let's say, okay, fine, you can vote because your age is greater than 18. Okay, let's say maybe the person is 13 years, or even let's say 17 years. 17 years. Okay, say no, you can't vote because your age is below, but you are Nigerian. That's none of my business. What I'm curious about is because of this AND operator. Okay, you must be more than 18 or equals to 18, or and you must be Nigerian. That's final. Okay, maybe the person is 18 now, but it's maybe, let's say, Cameroon. Sorry, I put the Cameroon. Okay, let's run. Let's say no, you cannot. You are too young to vote, because that's what we want is to print it. So it's only Nigerian that can vote. So that's the use of this if and else statement, and also these operators, this comparison operator, and all those operators also. So let's make use of all operators. Call it pipe. Sorry, pipe. I don't know what to call it. I just know it's by my right hand side. Pipe is, I call it pipe. So this, what the pipe is that, okay, it's gonna come down here. Okay, is the person greater than 18? Is the age greater than 18? Yes, it's greater. No, it's equals to, okay, fine. Okay, if one of these is true, maybe having bunch, maybe like 20 check, it's gonna check one of them. If one of them is true, okay, it's gonna say, okay, fine, it's true. Okay, it's true. But if it's not gonna, if it's not true, it's gonna say no, it's not true. Okay, let's run this. You're gonna see yes, you can vote. Yeah, okay, you can vote, fine, because it's 18 years. But if none of them is true, it's not going to print out. If none of them is true, so no, you can't vote, because if you don't even have qualification. So that's how it works. So let's make use of other examples also. Like let's make use of, let's format this, let's remove this. Okay, let's remove this. Let's make use of something else. Okay, let's print prime number, even number, even number and odd number. So using another if statement. Let's see. It's x is equals to 20. Now we want to check maybe 20 is a prime number. Now it's gonna say okay, check if x mod, so this is called mod, that's okay, divide x by 2, that's divide 20 by 2 and show me the remainder. If the remainder of x, that's the origin of this percentage, is called mod. If the remainder is equals 0, remember it doesn't equals, we are not assigning, we are comparing. If it is equals to 0, okay, print out is a prime. I mean it's an even. No, even number that is divisible by 0 are divisible with that remainder. That means the remainder will be 0. So if you divide 20 by 2, if the remainder is 0, okay, it's an even number. Okay, let's try another if again. So you have if s, now s, we want to check again if another thing is possible again. What are we having? So we're gonna have s, then space have, then we say s. Okay, if x mod 2, I'm sorry, just keep a little, is equals to, is equals, it's not equals 0, or once we get odd number, or ish, odd number, I think odd number number something like 5, no, 5 are prime numbers, I think. Odd number is something like 10. No, 10 is also prime number. We have odd number something like 25. We have 25. have mine. Okay, I say if mod 2 is not equals 0, it's not equals, like I told you, not this sign is in my 1, we press shift 1, because it's not equals 0. Okay, press is odd number, odd number. Okay. Okay, let's do and again. So okay, and x mod 3 is equals 0, because yeah, it's more oh no, let's use all. It's because all is all I. Okay, because we are having 1, if 1 is true, so it's an even number. That means 20 divided by 2 is even number. So let's write my maybe. So we can also add else here. Else. I say okay, else. Take this out. Say prime. It's prime. Okay. Something like that. Okay, it's an odd. You see, it said it's an odd number because mine is an odd number. It's not a prime number. Let's enter 19. Then I see that 19 is a prime number. So it's an odd number. Okay. Is it divisible by 3? Okay, it's not. Okay. Is 19 divisible by 3? Okay, if x divisible by 3 is equal to 0, or x divided by 2 is not equal to 0. Okay, it said, okay, this one is that. Okay, if we divide this by 2, it's not equal to 0. So we're having some errors in here. Okay, I think this is the format for the odd number. Okay, let's try this one. I'm gonna have point prime number. Yes, this prime. Okay, let's enter 9. So it's an odd number. So let's enter 2. So it's an even number. Okay, let's try 1. 1 is the prime number. See. Let's try 25. I know you're gonna get error sometimes, because you have to consider them. 25 is a prime number. How come? 25 is a prime number, but 25 is divisible by 5. So this is where we're gonna get it. So because I know it's two things. So said or x mod 5 is equal to 0. So if one of it is, let's format it. Come and press right click, press format, then you arrange it very well for you. So okay, if x mod 5, okay, tell me the remainder. If you divide x by 5, if one of these is correct, so it's odd number. So check. See, 25 is odd number. So that's the uses. That's what we get for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm gonna show you more guys about nesting if statements. Okay, thank you guys. Meet me in the next tutorial.